Hello guys, welcome in the new video. Now I will show you how to get free gift card. We need this application, free gift card. Type in Play Store free gift card and download this application. Okay. Click here, start free gift card. Get coins. Earn point, guys. Play again. Show play again. Play again. I earn point. Okay, wait guys, before click here redeem gift card, Amazon, PayPal, gift card, Google Play. Click here. Okay guys, delivery time in 24 hours. Here type your address, email. Okay, then click send. Redeem old card. We are going to send the gift card to indicate email. Make sure you have entered it correctly. Do you want to continue? Press OK. This gift card, guys, will send in 24 hours. Okay, waiting. We are almost done. Important to verify you are a human and not a robot, you need to download one of okay. You can install it once you have received the email. Okay guys, click OK and we'll stay to 24 hours and the code of gift card will send you in the email. Okay, goodbye.